Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome. Come on in to the channel. Come on in. Out here in the wilderness right now. Something like it. But, come on into the channel. Come on in. Just having my breakfast. You know, when you sign up to do this in trucking school, they actually tell you twice that you should practice and have more fruits, more salads, more veggies in your overall diet, because these things give you energy and give you hydration. And so you can sustain the lifestyle of being out here on the road. Now they tell you that so you can have longevity, have energy, and just overall live a healthier lifestyle, because you don't have the accessibility of getting these things all the time. But when you do, take advantage and go to these stores and go to the produce section. They have two sections. They have the produce section that contains a lot of life, and then they have the rest of the store that is all processed food and has basically no nutrition whatsoever. And a lot of people spend a lot of their time in that section. He got a big ass load. He hauling a whole tractor over there. But it's good to have these fruits and veggies in your life. Actual natural fruit juices, because it gives you that energy. It sustains your youth. You know what I'm saying? It's better for nature if it's from nature. You know what I'm saying? Because we spend long hours, long days out here. So you want to be able to sustain that. Sustain it, maintain it, so you can keep on going out here. Go strong and go long. You know what I mean? Don't go strong and go long. Just don't go wrong. You can't go wrong with this. There's many truckers I see that, have a trucker body. They have the whole trucker body. Very unhealthy. Look at this guy over here. Limping. A lot of pregnant men out here. Now, I started this way of living healthy because I didn't want to look like a pregnant man. I wanted to maintain my youth. And stay healthy. That's the truth. Now, it's all a choice. Everybody has a choice. And there's a consequence for every action that you take in life. And you have to be accountability of those choices. And there's many people that eat for pleasure, but we're supposed to be eating to live, and not living to eat. There's many people I say, like I tell them the truth about, chicken and these meats. But oh well, I'm gonna still eat it because it tastes good. Well, are you eating for taste? Because eating for taste is just a waste. You're supposed to be eating for beneficial health reasons. You know what I mean? It should be beneficial to you. Make your food your medicine, make your medicine your food. You know? That way you could, you know, wean out all these pills and whatnot. Have less doctor visits. I haven't been to a doctor in years. But I did have to have a physical just to get with this company. And when I seen the doctor, he was like, "Wow, you an athlete?" I was like, "Nah, I just eat well." He was like, your blood pressure is amazing." I was like, "Yeah, because I don't eat fatty foods and processed foods." Simple as that. I don't eat like the average person out here. You know, Thanksgiving just passed, and now the next whole lot day is coming up. You know, a lot of people get together and eat their heart out, gain a lot of weight, and then be sad and mad for it after. And then want to get in the gym and talk about, "Oh, I'm going to start this year off in the gym, and this is that, and this is that." That lifestyle you have to maintain and be consistent, you know, and make the effort to get in the gym. Stay in there. But there's a lot of people that go to the gym that still have unhealthy eating habits. That's taking one step forward or two steps back. You know what I'm saying? One step forward, two steps back. There was just a video I seen the other day that said how chicken causes the most cancer than any other meat. Chicken and meat is a carcinogen, which is damn near worse than cigarettes. And that's a fact. But there's many people that's been dying over diseases, diabetes, cancer, all that. And people be at the funeral talking about F cancer, because it took your family member away. But people say F cancer, but won't stop doing the habits that cause it. You say F cancer, but you still contributed to it by having these choices with your eating habits and your lifestyle. It contributes to the cancer. Again, one step forward and two steps back. It's December, where I'm at right now. I think I'm in West Virginia. All these hills and valleys, up and down, Jake breaking. Nah, you know, I made this channel so to spread awareness and try to get people just to think differently. You know what I mean? Because I'm tired of seeing people die from their choices. And I can't stop a lot of people. Many people gonna do what the F they want to do regardless. Regardless of what I say, how I feel. Because people gonna live their life on their terms. Which is your choice. Everybody has that choice. All I'm trying to do is say, make better choices. Make better choices to get better results. You know what I'm saying? Yes, indeed. Been doing that since I was a kid. And now I get the hump too. Love toot my horn. But, yeah, man. Tired of seeing people sick. Tired of seeing people sick, man, and fumbling and stumbling, limping and gimping. You know what I mean? When they can help themselves by, you know, sipping a little more tea, have a little more burdock root, have a little more sarsaparilla, you know, have a little more herbs, have a little more fruit, have a little more vegetables. You know what I mean? Because all that can help you in your lifestyle, in your overall health. Doing a detox, doing a tune-up on yourself. You know what I'm saying? These are just things that I do, that I will hope some of y'all do, so you can improve the way you look. Improve the way you look and feel. You know? Because looking good and feeling good, you can't buy that. You know what I mean? But some people do. Some people do. That's a whole nother topic right there. You know what I mean? Some people buy their way into gorgeousness. Why buy your way into gorgeousness when you can eat your way into gorgeousness? Hello. Hello. You know, you can eat your way into gorgeousness too. If you stop eating certain things and start eating others. Well, that kind of sounded right. You could also eat gorgeous people too. But anyway. Yeah, man. I got a little time today, so I just want to share my time and share some words, you know. While I'm out here, I can't start driving for another about half an hour or something like that. I ain't gonna take all that time though. Out here in the middle of nowhere, West Virginia. West Virginia. You know, make better choices, have better results. Do a tune-up on yourself because your check engine light is on. You need an oil change. You need new filters. Your filters is your liver, your kidneys. They definitely need a coolant flush. If you give them a break and eat more fruits and veggies, your body will thank you. That is your tune-up right there. That is your oil changers. That is your Jiffy Lube right there. You know what I mean? Call me the mechanic. You don't want to listen to the doctor, but you listen to your mechanic. People take better care of their cars than they do their own body. People do tune-ups on their cars every few months, but don't do tune-ups on themselves. So, give yourself a tune-up, and your car will run better. You know what I'm saying? Change your oil. You know what I mean? I know people drive their car every day, but the more maintenance you do on your car, the more maintenance you do on yourself, the better your car and the better yourself will run. That's the best way I can put it. So you don't have to be broken down on the side of the road, having to call AAA, having to call outside repair. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can I get a toot? Beep, beep. Yeah. This is my load today. These slinkies. Big old slinkies. But we ain't walking down the stairs with them. All I try to do is get people to eat better. Because you eat better, you feel better, you look better. When you look better, you feel better. You know? There's a lot of grumpy people out here, you know, because he toted around so much weight. Because the food that you're eating is actually bringing you down. It's not bringing you up. There's a lot of animals that suffer just to get to your plate. And when you eat them animals, you take on their suffering. You take on their trauma. They went through trauma just to get to your plate. They seen their brothers and sisters, cousins get slaughtered, and they seen that and witnessed that, and knew that they were next. So that brought on trauma. And then when they were slaughtered, that trauma don't go away. That trauma is in their body, in the food, in the meat. It's not food. You call it food. But you can't take that away. That's why people was walking around with so much trauma and anxiety and don't know where it came from. It came from that little cow, that little chicken. Don't believe me? Look it up. Look it up. But yeah, man. It's cold out here too. I got my gloves on right now. Make better choices, have better results. Take care of your health before your health make somebody have to take care of you. And that's the truth. That is a cold truth. Real talk from a real one. Have a good day. Happy Friday.